Are you trapped in another world? We have a cocktail for that. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. As the movie Poltergeist taught us, sometimes even staying home can be dangerous. Here's a lovely libation to help relieve the anxiety when you're sucked into another sphere of consciousness right in your own home. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of vodka, 1/4 ounce vanilla liqueur, 1/4 ounce ginger liqueur, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 3 dashes of orange bitters. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and decorate with a spectral light. Whatever you do, do not go into the light. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.